In this video, I'll guide you through how to chat with the Indeed helpline step by step so you know exactly where to click and what to look for on your screen. Let's start from your main dashboard. Once you're logged into your Indeed account, you'll land on your dashboard, which is your home base for managing jobs, applications, and account settings. Take a moment to make sure you're actually on that page and not in a specific job posting or settings screen. If you're not, just click on the main logo or home option to return to your dashboard. From your dashboard, you'll want to look for your account-related options. Typically, this is labeled as Account, Accounts, or Account Settings, and is often found at the top right corner of the page or sometimes in a menu icon. Go ahead and click into your account area. This section is where you can manage your profile, preferences, and access support resources. Once you're in your account area, your next stop is the Help Center. This might appear as a Help Center, or Support link. It's usually easy to spot because it's dedicated to answering questions and solving problems. Click on the Help Center link and you'll be taken to a separate page that's designed specifically for support. Inside the Help Center, you'll see a variety of topics, FAQs, and sometimes recommended articles based on common questions. Before jumping into chat, it can be useful to quickly scan the topics on the page. Often the answer you need is already written out in detail. That said, if you want to speak with someone directly, you're going to look for a chat or contact option. On the Help Center page, look carefully for a button or link that says something like Chat with us, contact support, or get help. Sometimes this appears as a small chat bubble icon at the bottom corner of the page, and other times it's a more prominent button near the top or in a sidebar. If you don't see it right away, scroll down the page, as some sites display chat options only after you've viewed some content. When you locate the chat or contact support option, click on it to start a chat session. Keep in mind that chat support availability can vary by region and by time of day. If chat is not available in your area, you might see alternative options, such as submitting a request form or browsing help articles instead. But if chat is available, a small window should open on your screen, either in the corner or as a pop-up. Once the chat window opens, you'll be guided through a series of prompts. These prompts are designed to understand what kind of help you need. You might be asked to pick a category, describe your issue, or confirm details about your account. Answer each question as clearly and briefly as you can. This helps the system either provide an automatic solution or route you to the right support agent. As you follow the prompts, stay focused on the specific problem you're trying to solve. If a help article is suggested that doesn't match your issue, look for an option like "This didn't help" or "Contact an agent" to move forward. Continue responding until you're either connected with a live support representative or your question is resolved via the automated help. By following these steps from your dashboard to the Help Center, then into the chat or contact support option, you'll be able to reach the Indeed helpline through chat whenever it's available in your region.